Welcome to my channel. My name is William and I'm a licensed general building contractor. Today I will show you how to frame a single family house. I will show you the drawing. Okay, this is the architectural drawing, and this is the house that we will frame. It's only one story, but it's a high ceiling. This is the side of the house. This is the west elevation, and then this is the east. This is the east elevation, and this is the north. North is the rear of the house, and then this is the front of the house. It's south elevation. Okay. The height of the ceiling, it has like 3 or 4 different ceiling height, and if you go the cross section of the house, that will look like. Okay, so let's start on the measurement. We already started this wall. I'm just waiting for the beam from there up to here. And this is finished already. This wall is finished, and now today we will work on this wall and on this wall. As you can see, there. Okay, there. This house is similar to that house across the street. That is the house of the architect, which I built 3 years ago. I don't know if you can see that. Let's go a little bit closer. There. The difference between this house, there are 2 different. First of all, that is a 2-story house, and the roof is a V shape. The valley is in the middle and facing the main street. But this house, the valley is also in the middle, but it's on the side of the street. The front is just a flat. It's a flat roof. This house, this architect she like making the house. Most of her design are modern. Okay. Okay. So when you frame this type of house, on the measurement, of course, you have to look at the you have to follow the architectural drawing. You can see all the difference of the ceiling height. Like for example, in this one you don't see it here, but it says ceiling height. It changed on this side. So if you look at on the cross section, this part of the ceiling is 10 feet, and this part is 12 feet. And on the bathroom, this master bathroom is 9 feet. Here, this bedroom is 9 feet. Also, this dining is 9 feet. The other bathroom, the ceiling height is 8 feet 3 inches. This bedroom is bedroom number 1 is 9 feet. This entry is also 9 feet, but here the lowest part is 11 feet, and somewhere here on this part is about 12 and a half. Also there at 12 and a half. This is the valley, so this is the lowest part. The lowest part is 11 feet, so it's how many ceiling height? 9 feet, 10 feet, 12 feet, 9 feet, that is 3, 8, 3, that is 4, and then there is ceiling height also. There is a here, but the interior is about 4 different ceiling height. And when you start to lay out this kind of project, you have to check all the windows and the doors, width and height, so that's how you frame this kind of house, wood framing. And then on the you have to look the structural on what kind of wood they are. The engineer is asking you to use. Like for example, on this master bedroom, it's specified 2.5 by 9.25 PSL. PSL means paralam. It's not a regular wood. Okay, that's a beam there. And here it's a 6 by 8. This is the bottom beam, and then there is one up there, because above here there are some windows here, and then there is another beam here. So the architect is the one who will make the measurement and the design, and then the structural engineer is the one calculating the strength of the house and what kind of wood you will use. But of course you will not see everything on this drawing. Some of the details are missing, but if you are experienced contractor or framer, you will know that I'm talking about. Let's talk about the details. Like the detail on that side and on this side, it says S6 structural 6, and then detail 10. Okay, we will go back here, and 6, that is the 6, that is the 6, and the detail 10 is there. So the beam, the fosse, and then the post column there. I don't want to show the name of the owner, the address, and then the architect and the engineer, because I don't have a permission from them. And then on the shear wall schedule, you have to check also the shear wall schedule, like there. We'll go on the other side. Like on this one we have letter H, and on this one we have F, H. We will check on this letter H, shear wall. Okay, letter H, shear wall there. Because we are framing, we have to look for the seal. You have to use a 3x seal plate. So 3x seal is there. The 3x there. This is the 2x and this is 3x, and that is that wall. That wall there, and that one. And letter F is only 2x, so we are okay. And then the G, we have many G. It's here. It says I use a 3x seal, but I'm not using a 3x because if they are on the perimeter, I have already 3x on that bottom there, so I'll use that. But if this G are in the middle, you have to use also 3x. And on the F, it doesn't matter in the middle or on the edge or perimeter. It's only asking a 2x seal plate there. I will show you an example why you need to check